welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do the 3 times table. But first, let's see the 3 times table. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 9 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27, and 3 times 10 is 30. And now, the first trick is to skip 3. What is skip 3? Skip 3 is like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and more. How does that do? The table of 3 is because 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, and like that. And now, the other trick is, with fingers. Take your hand, and you see the 3 lines in your fingers. And these are 1, 2, 3. We count them as like that. So, like for example, 3 times 4. Take your 4 fingers and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means 3 times 4 is 12. This is kind of easy and easy to remember. And let's do another example. 3 times 6. Put up 6 fingers and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that means 3 times 6 is 18. I hope you understood. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the better you get it. Thank you. Please do subscribe and hit the thumbs up button.